With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
State the universal law of gravitation. So we have to state that what is universal law of gravitation called? What it states? So basically, if we have two masses or any number of masses, I am generally stating it for two masses, let's say m1 and m2, and distance between them is r. Okay, so universal law of gravitation states that force is directly proportional to product of masses, that is m1, that mass of particle 1 into mass of particle 2, and this force will be force of attraction between these two masses, and force is inversely proportional to square of the distance between masses. So this is called universal law of gravitation, and it states that a particle attracts every other particle with force which is directly proportional to product of masses, product of their masses, and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. So it states that a particle attracts every other particle. Suppose this is m1 and we have a number of particles. There is no limit that on what number of particles this force will be applied. A particle, suppose m1, will attract every other particles, infinite number of particles. If present across m1 or at any distance, then it will attract every other particle in this universe, and the force of attraction will be directly proportional to mass of this particle and mass of that particle to whom we are calculating the force, and it will be inversely proportional to square of the distance between them. Okay, thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.